There are 5 Bluey puzzles. Can you count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put them together today. Let's get started. Our first puzzle. Aw, it's Bluey and Bingo giving each other a hug. That's so sweet. Let's slide this one off to the side. What do you see here? I see the whole family at the beach. There's Bingo and Bluey and Chili and Bandit, and they're having a fun day at the beach. Let's do our third puzzle. Slide this one off to the side. Oh, the magic xylophone. Look, Bingo's got the magic xylophone back here, and they've frozen their dad. That's so funny. Now we're going to do our fourth puzzle. Do you know what episode this is? Keepy Uppy. Do you like to play Keepy Uppy with your brothers and sisters like Bluey and Bingo do? Yeah? Awesome. Look at all the puzzles we've done so far. We have one more puzzle to do, and it's a great big one. It's going to go right here in the middle. Are you ready? We did it! We did all 5 Bluey puzzles. Thanks for doing these puzzles with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Selena's Schoolhouse. We'll see you next time. Bye!